My office is located in North Glen, Colorado. It's because I live in the area and the people here are great. I'm involved in a lot of local nonprofits and charities like the North Glen Thornton Rotary Club and a few other organizations local to the area. And just like to stay close to the community and keep those good people around me. That goes into what I'm very passionate about and why I chose estate planning and probate as the areas of law that I want to practice. It's because I love to help families and I love to help people through hard times. So in estate planning, I get to help families protect their things that they've worked hard for and make sure that future generations obtain those things. And I get to help families when they lose a loved one, which can be the hardest time in their lives. I get to make sure that they not only see the light at the end of the tunnel, but they get there as well.
Working with Jeff it was easy to understand what we were working on, and he was able to put everything into language that made making a plan for the welfare of our children and their future very easy. And it was great that he was willing to come into our home and work with us. The work that he did with us allowed us to feel confident that our children would be well cared for if anything had happened to us.
When I first start out with a client, my approach is 100% based on the goals of that client. I tell people all the time, if you don't have a plan that meets your needs and your goals, there's no point to that plan. So our initial consultation is 100% based on the client and figuring out what they need, what they want, and the best path to get there.
The process was pretty straightforward. I wasn't looking forward to it, as most people don't look forward to revising their will or even starting a will. But it really became a process that was very comfortable, and I realized that I hadn't thought of everything, and Jeff thought of things that I would never dreamt of in a will.
I want my legacy to be that the families of the North Glen Thornton area can honestly say that not only are they comfortable with their futures, but their children's futures and their children's children's futures in many generations to come. I want all of those families to know that they have a shoulder that they can turn to and someone that can answer their questions no matter what they are. Let me help you plan for the future so you can enjoy the present.